Introducing Edge brushes with materials and technology that revolutionize WaterFed brushes. Edge brushes offer a unique and easy-to-use swivel option. Simply rotate the blue sleeve to switch the socket into swivel mode. If you want it to stay in place, rotate the opposite direction to lock it. The head of the brushes includes an integrated non-marking bumper to help soften contact with frames. The heads come in two sizes, 10-inch and 14. Edge brushes use a variety of best-in-class bristle materials. The most popular brush, which is included with triple crown WaterFed poles, uses genuine DuPont bristles for extra cleaning power. As an alternative, the Black Heritage bristles are a soft flagged microfiber, which is ideal for delicate surfaces. Finally, they are available with the best commercially available boar's hair for maximum cleaning power. You can get the best of two worlds with Edge hybrid brushes that combine various bristle types. The Edge brushes include a unique set of top-of-the-line jets. Included V-jets are molded straight into the block. These are great for most window cleaning. Optionally, Edge offers a variety of add-on jets so that you can customize to your needs. Edge also offers Fen jets for a disperse spray pattern for faster rinsing. Pencil jets offer a more powerful directed flow. V-jets are available in a 2-hole and 4-hole version. For users that prefer a rinse bar, the plastic bar attaches easily to any Edge brush. Its soft design helps soften contact with frames. The default socket includes Euro threads that work with all triple crown poles and any Euro-threaded WaterFed pole. Alternatively, sockets are available with an angle adapter attachment with or without a swivel and with a fixed Euro attachment. Edge brushes are an exciting addition to the ABC WaterFed product line. To learn more or purchase, visit our website.